A server is any system that is within your Commvault environment. They may be infrastructure servers containing specific Commvault roles, such as CommServe, Virtual Server Agent, Media Agent, Web Server, or Index Server. An agent is installed on the server or a proxy server to protect specific workload data, such as files, databases, or virtual machines. The subclient defines the actual data that requires protection. Let's have a quick look at how servers can be managed within the Command Center. To display the existing servers in your environment, expand Manage, then click Servers. The default view shows servers that have Commvault infrastructure components installed on them. You can select to view all servers from the drop-down at the top, and you can add additional filters based on your requirements. You can add gateway devices using the Add Gateway button. To install new servers, simply click Add Server. This will launch the Push Install wizard that allows you to select the Commvault packages you wish to push out remotely to the server. Once the install is complete, the server will appear in the servers list. Within the server list itself, for each server entry, you will see an online status indicator, the server name that links to the server details page, a listing of what agents are installed and what Commvault roles are on the server, the version of Commvault installed, the operating system, update status, and any configured tags. To the far right, each server has an Actions button that provides several tasks. You can run backup and restore operations against the server. You can view the server's active jobs and job history. You can add, upgrade, retire, and repair the software on the server. You can push any changes made to the server's network configuration, or view it, where you can copy or download the configuration. Check readiness ensures that the server is up and running and can be reached. We'll run a check readiness for this server. The system tries to connect to the machine and not only validates the network connectivity, but also the available resources for the next server backup. The result is displayed in this window. In this example, you can see that everything is running as expected. You can restart the server's Commvault services. Send logs allows you to send the server's log files to Commvault support for troubleshooting purposes. View logs allows you to view live Commvault logs running on the server. You can also mark a server as non-infrastructure, mark it offline for maintenance, or add tags. A server can also be controlled by clicking the server's name to open its details page. From the General tile, you can edit the host name, job start time, enable or disable software downloads, and select regions. You can view and edit the server groups assigned and view the configured roles. At the top, you can back up, restore, and launch the same actions you could see on the servers list. From the Configuration tab, you have options to configure owners and associations, configure advanced network settings, enable or disable backup, restore, and data aging activity, and configure a number of advanced server settings.